27 years I've been here, every game. We got the bulldozer out now spreading the rocks, and in the process of the bulldozer out spreading the rocks, we have a tractor with a laser grader. And what it does, the laser grader actually gonna put the final grade.
All our equipment's laser guided, so our elevations are set up by lasers, so we're within a tolerance of probably a 1/4 inch on the top.
It's been a long time coming, but it's gonna give the kids something else to look forward to. They're already talking about it. The coach is ready to be on it right now.